Hey guys, this is David with Colton RV Marine. Behind me I have the unveiling of Grech's newest model and floor plan. It's called the Vakanza. They do come in 24, 22, and 19 feet. Again, just like the Strada, Torino, and Turismo. So again, behind me is going to be the 24 foot. So again, it's going to mimic the Strada. So I want to talk about a couple things you're getting when you go from, like, let's say a Strada to a Vakanza. You're still getting the iconic bumper, the iconic look of a Grech. Again, Grech all started being a limousine company, right? So they're essentially mimicking their Bs with a limousine. Again, you do have the Continental tires there, the nice black alloy rims with, of course, the iconic stainless steel body line that goes all the way from the back to the front of the coach. So right here, guys, again, just like every other Grech that you guys probably have seen, you do still have the standard stainless steel compartment with all your connections. So your dumps for your black and gray tank, your smart plug, outdoor shower, and then your city water connection right there. If we walk just slowly back here, again, this is on the Mercedes 3500 chassis, so it is going to be a dually in the back. Of course, just more rubber on the road, more stable while you're driving, just a wider wheelbase in general, okay? So, you will notice right here, this is going to be on a all-wheel drive chassis, as well as this is going to be an ion, meaning it is full lithium. There's not going to be any propane or generator. Everything is run off of Grech's Lithionics battery system, which I'll show you guys in a sec. Now, first thing you notice, all this space. So, of course, Grech does offer two models that are on the Mercedes 3500 chassis. Of course, the Strada as well as the Torino. So the difference between a 24 and a 22 foot model is going to be strictly back here. So when it comes to the actual living space and the floor space, that's the same. You're gaining the extra 15 inches right here. All right, guys. So if you guys want to bring your golf clubs, whatever the case would be, you have the storage in this specific model, okay? Just want to show you guys if you look under here. So you guys look under here. Okay. This is actually where your batteries are housed. Of course, they do use their Lithionics battery system. In the Vakanza specifically, it's about half the amount of watt hours that the Strada has. It's about 10,000 watt hours of lithium battery power, which would be able to run your AC for roughly about 8 hours on a single charge. Now, of course, what's helping with that, let's say that AC runtime, there'll be a couple things that Grech does as well. So they are going to give you a 3,000 watt inverter, as well as the Arco Zeus alternator, which is going to charge your battery at 50% quicker compared to the 2025 models. So a couple things before we head to the inside of the coach. You will notice backup camera, of course, standard on this coach. Now, another difference between, again, the Strada and the Vakanza, the Strada is going to have the nice power screen as well as power shade that comes down. In the Vakanza, all it is just a zipper shade. You unzip it if you want it up, and then unzip it and let it drop down to do a shade in the back, okay? So that's one big difference between the models. Okay. All right, guys, let's go along to the campsite. So, again, just because you are stepping down to a Vakanza doesn't mean you don't get things like, for example, Grech's Girard power awning that's integrated in the roof line. It is going to be a wind sensing awning, so what it does, it detects vibrations, and then on a windy day, that awning will automatically retract inwards, so you don't have to worry about your awning getting ripped off, that getting damaged, nothing like that. Okay, guys? So, before we walk in, a couple things I just want to point out to you guys. Of course, built-in power step, just like all the other models. When that door opens, that step comes out, just for making it easy to get in outside of the coach. You will notice another thing right off the bat is on the Vakanzas, it doesn't have its Grech's standard woven vinyl flooring. It's going to have just a vinyl plank from the front to the back of the coach. Again, just minor difference between the Vakanza and the Strada. So if we come on in, what I want to do now, guys, I actually want to talk about the front of the coach, and then we'll work our way back, okay? So let's come up here. All right, guys, so again, this is going to be on the Mercedes chassis. It's going to be a Mercedes premium chassis. So again, this is like the actual screen that you get directly from Mercedes. I just want to talk about a couple things that you get when you hop into a Grech as well as this Mercedes premium chassis. All right, guys, so right up here you have your rearview mirror that's actually integrated with your backup camera. The benefit of that, it's always on, so while you're driving, you'll always be able to see what's behind you. But if you do want to take a peek on what your passengers are doing in the back, all you do is you hit this button here, and then there you go, that's your mirror, and then there's your backup camera. All right, guys, so if we just scroll down here, so this is going to be, again, all your main control panels from the Mercedes side of things. You have built-in navigation, as well as this unit is going to be Apple CarPlay as well as Android Auto compatible via Bluetooth, so you don't need to plug in a phone, there's no cords, nothing like that. Okay, it is going to have, of course, Sirius XM and an AM and FM radio built into the coach as well. Okay. I do want to go over some of the safety features that this coach comes with, specifically in the collision avoidance section. So it is going to have the active braking assist, the active lane keeping assist, as well as the blind spot assist, just to make sure that you guys are traveling safely down the road. And then just another brief thing I want to just touch base on this screen is going to be right here. It is the rain sensor sensitivity. So the coach will essentially determine the speed of the windshield wipers based on how hard it's raining outside, so you don't have to worry about changing that. The car will ultimately just do it by itself. As well as this Grech does come with a 360 camera, so there's essentially sensors all around the coach, so front of you, back of you, inside of you, to make sure that you guys are driving safe down the road, as well as you guys don't, God forbid, hit anything, nothing like that. Okay. So if we just take a look over here, so of course while you're driving, you don't always have the ease just to be able to click a couple pages on the actual home screen. So you can actually control all of it, the home screen, different menu options, all on the clusters on your steering wheel. So you can operate the entire coach or the front end of the coach while your hands are still on the wheel. Okay. This does, of course, come with a heated steering wheel that's actually new till 2026, as well as heated seats right here. So heated steering wheel and heated seats all right here. And then it does have the memory seats. So you have 3 different options. So 3 different positions depending on who's driving. So guys, that's actually it for up here. As well as final thing is we're actually sitting on these very nice ultra leather seats that actually have the stitching Grech right in there. And they do have memory foam on the seats as well, so super comfortable for those long drives. So we're inside the coach, and I want to just point out a couple things, before we get really into the coach. It does come with a tabletop extension that's very accessible right there, and then to pull it down, you just lift up here. There's little latches right here, all at once, and then that's it. Now, this is, again, there's going to be 2 floor plans for the 24-foot Grech's. It's going to be a tour floor plan and a lounge floor plan. The lounge floor plan is going to have 4 captain chairs, so you have 2 here and then 2 here. Or the other one that I'm standing in is going to be the tour floor plan. So the tour floor plan is going to give you a longer countertop, as well as this massive wardrobe. That's me right there. Okay. Massive wardrobe for, storage of clothes, whatever you guys are bringing can go in there. I do want to point out that these 2 chairs right here, they do swivel. So that's why if you're wondering why there's a table here, you could, turn around, eat some lunch, work from home, whatever you guys do. That's why the table's there. Okay, so if we just walk this way. Now, in the Grech tour floor plan, you are going to get a full fridge. So you get show you this for you guys real quick. I mean, again, massive fridge for going to be in a Class B, of course. And then an actual freezer down there. And guys, to be honest with you, it's actually super cold. This just goes to show you, this unit's not plugged in. Fridge and freezer are both working all on that lithionic system. Now, if we just pivot to the actual screen, you notice this is going to be a Garmin control panel. That is going to be new for 2026. Again, just because you're going to a Vakanza doesn't mean you got to lose the bells and whistles that you'll get when you buy a Grech. Main control panel here. This is going to be to operate your bed. This is, of course, to extend and retract your awning. The fresh gray and black, that is going to be your tank gauges. This is going to be your water pump button, so to pump water throughout the coach. Your tank heaters, so if you are camping in a little bit of a colder weather, you pop on those tank heaters and they'll keep the tanks nice and heated. And of course, this is your main control panel for all your lights. Turn it off, turn it on. Same thing with exterior lights, on and off. All right, so right here is going to be your power system, just to show you how charged your batteries are, how much power your inverter is taking, how much solar that it's bringing in, so on and so forth. And then this is going to be your control panel for your climate, so AC, furnace, the fan, all that stuff. I will mention this unit still does come with a Timberline system. It's going to be powered by diesel. It's one of the most efficient as well as best working heating system that you could put inside the Class B, and Grech, of course, opted to put it in there, and it runs directly off of your diesel from your fuel tank, okay? So if we just walk this way, you'll notice, again, solid surface countertops all the way through. Again, because we're in a tour floor plan, you guys get tons of storage all over the place. And just to show you guys the level of craftsmanship when you get into a Grech, for example, I mean, guys, I want you to go do that in any other RV in general. Let me know what you think, right? So, and then speaking of storage, you notice that there's going to be overhead storage from all the way around. So just show you guys kind of how much storage you actually get. Okay. All right, and then right here, guys, as well as right here. Okay. So back to the kitchen area. You guys probably are wondering, hey, something's missing right here. If you probably have seen my other Grech videos, you know that they have a convection cooktop that's actually built into the countertop. In the Vakanza, what they do give you is going to be a 1 cooktop induction burner that you can actually, it's mobile, so you can plug it in, leave it here. If you guys want to, you're at a tailgating event, cooking some food, you can actually bring that cooktop outside, use it wherever, okay? Has a contour convection microwave. This is going to act as your oven as well as your microwave, so it's all in one. Again, you're pairing that with your 1 cooktop induction cooktop, and you got a whole kitchen set up. And then, guys, there's just some more storage there for you guys, pots and pans, whatever you guys bring. Okay. So if we walk back here, a couple things I wanted to point out. So it does have the Grech AC. Again, that's actually a huge change that they made in 2025. You will notice that there's no control panel back here. Again, just a minor tweak that, again, going from like a Strata to a Vakanza. And again, one thing like I mentioned, the flooring from the woven vinyl flooring to the vinyl plank is another little difference. I want to just go ahead and show you guys the bathroom. All right, guys, so this is going to be standard wet bath. You have your shower head, as well as your clothing line. Comes across, you can hang your clothes, whatever you guys need to do. Hooks on like that. As well as your vent, so if it's getting a little steamy in the shower, you just pop that vent open. And that's it. Okay. Close that for you guys. Okay. So, back here, of course, is going to be your bed layout. It is going to be the same material as well as the size as the Strata. It is going to be your ultra leather on the exterior, then memory foam on the inside to make it one of the most comfortable beds you'll find in a Class B. So what I want to do now, guys, I want to show you what this looks like assembled. So let's go this way. Okay, so you open up your Garmin control panel. You hit the home button, sofa, down. Okay, so like that, guys, you can leave it in a twin bed setup. So if one person gets up before the other, they're able to get in that middle aisle and go to the bathroom. Or if you want to make it all one big bag, there's a button in here for the ottomans, and you just go ahead and extend those out till they touch. Okay. And guys, that's just shy of a king size bed. Again, enough room for, you, significant other, pet or animal, whoever's going with you. There's gonna be plenty of space on that bed. So, all right, guys. So that pretty much wraps up the Vakanza 24-foot. What I want to talk about now, guys, is just essentially why did Grech decide to come out with a Vakanza, right? They, of course, before this came out, they really focused on the most luxury, the most expensive, Class B on the market. What they wanted to do was for the customers that, like, let's say, have never owned an RV, or, a little bit of a younger crowd, but still are looking for a Class B that's as the quality and the craftsmanship of a Grech, right? The attention to detail that Grech provides these coaches, they're looking for that. So what they did, they came out of Vakanza, more or less that mid-luxury versus like super luxury like the Strata, Torino, and Turismo, but still get, again, that level of quality that Grech gives you at, again, a lower price point too.
Alrighty, guys, so I'm in the cockpit of the brand new 2026 Vakanza 24-foot. Getting ready to take it on its test drive. Let's see what this thing can do. Yeah, I mean, first impression, guys, we just went over a pretty big bump. I mean, again, even though it doesn't have air suspension, the suspension still feels really nice. Again, like all the Grechs, just overall, you don't hear any rattling. Right now we're going 30 miles an hour. No issues there. No rattling, no noise. Let's see, we're coming up to our first turn here. Let's see how this thing handles. Yeah, guys, super impressive. I mean, again, honestly, it feels very similar to the ones with the air suspension. Even again, over that bump, it wasn't like you heard like a loud noise when you hit that bump. Still very, very smooth, especially for bringing that 24-foot, 3,500 chassis. Yeah, no issues here. Again, another turn. Yeah, I mean, honestly, guys, like I keep saying with all the Grechs I've driven over the past 2 days, a lot of people used to like, oh yeah, like 24 feet might be too big. It's still a little intimidating. I will say, guys, this thing drives, like I've said, just like a car. It's just like you're driving really just a super nice oversized minivan, really. Yeah, the handle's great. Feels very nice with the road. Seats are also super comfortable too for those long trips. And I will say the fact this thing is all-wheel drive definitely helps. So yeah, all the Vakanzas are going to be all-wheel drive, which is really nice. Just for, again, you know, some conditions like where I live in Buffalo, obviously, or if, you know, snow, rain, whatever. Yeah, I mean, these things handle super nice. The fact it's all-wheel drive is even better. And, you know, like I said, that rearview mirror that, you know, the Vakanza has, just like all the other Grech, is super convenient, just so you can always keep an eye on like what's behind you. Yeah, guys, we've been driving for a couple minutes now. I mean, kind of overall takes on the whole thing. I mean, realistically, guys, it drives so similar to the Strada with the air suspension. Yeah, I mean, I think this is also just another good option if you guys are looking for a 24-foot van. You know, maybe not want to spend the money on a Strada. I think you know what you're losing when it goes to Vakanza. I think it's totally worth it. Thing drives great, handles awesome, and of course you're getting all still the same fit and finish you get in the bigger Grechers. So, well, that's pretty much it, guys. Again, I'm Dave with Colton RV and Marine. This is the 2026 Vakanza 24-foot. You can reach me at 716-392-2351. If you have any questions, please reach out. Hope you guys have a nice day.